Okay, I think much better. But this is where Chesky goes to the bathroom. And it's so cover. Chesky, come here. Chesky, come right here. Oh man! He likes the snow. He likes the snow. All right, Chesky, go over there. Go over there. Over there. Go over there. Oh man. Oh man. I'm totally covered. This is my vegetable garden, just all covered. And this winter weather is still hitting hard. Chesky! Chesky! What you doing there? Come on, let's go inside. Oops. Oh man, it's hard to walk. Oh, it's just crazy. Oh, crazy. I think it's gonna keep snowing. It's like about 1:30 or 2, but it's gonna snow till 5 p.m. this afternoon. So I'll come back again.